As I know, Parthiv came back some few years back, and he's also a part of your business. The young generation has their own ideas, they have their own way of taking things forward, the same way you did, and you did such an excellent job. Um, One is what he wants to do or what he sees his generation doing, and second is what you have experienced and what you're sure of. And from what I know, you're very sound and stable, and whatever step you take, you won't take a wrong one. You think about it carefully. So, what advice do you give to him? Which industry you feel he should do, and which one is he independently inclined to do?
So I think, as parents, our job is to really share with them values.
Right.
And that too in the formative years till they're about 20, 21.
Yes.
If you have been able to share it, you've been able to share it. If you've not been able to share it, it's very difficult to do it later. As far as any specific area of business, my guidance is only to be true to the regulations, to be focused on the quality of work. I'm not one who obsesses over quantity, because I feel that it will follow, and if it doesn't follow for any reason, then that's the way it will be. But I think what we can do is to do what we do well and to follow the norms. So that's my limited guidance. Now coming to what they will do, at this moment when he came back, I asked him, I said, you have an option to do something new, you have an option to be involved with something that I'm doing. And having spent a few months after he returned, he said that he would like to pursue the healthcare initiative. So as of now, he's the joint managing director of our healthcare company. We have a managing director there, which has been my colleague for the last 20 odd years. But he is now 67 years old, so maybe he will take over from him at some point of time. And he's growing that business quite diligently.
You've come up with something in Patna, a new hospital.
No, we've come up with a mall and a hotel, not a hospital.
Mall and a hotel.
We just come up with a hospital in Guwahati.
Guwahati, that's right, yes.
Yeah. And we have 3 in Calcutta, in West Bengal, and 1 in Guwahati now, 4, and there are 5 under construction as we speak. So they will all start happening, one next year, one following year, etc. So